Why do people crack their knuckles? Does it have any benefits, or is it actually bad for you? Crack, that sound your fingers just made. What's going on in there? When you stretch or bend your fingers, you're changing the pressure inside the joint. This causes tiny gas bubbles in the joint fluid to rapidly collapse, making that satisfying pop. But is it bad for you? Surprisingly, studies show that knuckle cracking doesn't cause arthritis or long-term damage. At worst, it might lead to mild hand swelling or grip weakness if done obsessively. So why do people do it? It can relieve joint tension, increase mobility temporarily, and for some, it just feels good. It's like your body's own little stress relief valve. Follow, in case you were wondering, for more science behind your everyday habits.